All right, here's the start of day 3. This is what it looks like currently. Frankie seems to like it.
Yeah. Yeah, I can't wait. Let's get in here and play. Don't forget, we're gonna have to go back and tighten all them bolts up on these.
Yeah, I almost wonder if what we need to do is kind of what we did when we started yesterday, is just put a level on stuff just to see where we're at with things.
Yep.
Because then we can adjust the columns, like if we need to loosen the anchor bolts, kick the bottom out, or push the top in, or whatever, and then go from there. I mean, we're going through the stuff that's on the ground.
Oh yeah.
Alright guys, it's coming together. We're taking a picture of Brandy taking a video. That's where we're at. So that's the front of the building, north facing. Look at all this. We almost have all the framework done. We're missing those two pieces right there. That piece and that piece, so I gotta get with the building company tomorrow. This whole wall is still loose. We're gonna get that wall done, probably square that wall up, and then get this done, square this wall up, tighten all this hardware down. But the primary and secondary structure is almost done. What do you think about that?
Pretty awesome.
Don't pay attention to my my herpy on my lip.
Ew. I didn't give it to him.
It's not a herpy, it's a cold sore. We got all of the primary, secondary framing in. And we only have a couple of extra pieces left over, so no big deal. No, we're actually doing really good. So the next step is I've got to put the trim, like kick panel thing down here, the angle iron, which is this piece. So I gotta run a plumb bob from here straight down and then run that out to it, and then hammer set those in all the way around except for where the doors are at. And then I need to put the man door. I need to figure out where on this wall I'm gonna put the man door at. So I don't know if it's gonna go here or here, or it's gonna go probably like right here, I'm thinking. And then the other man door is gonna go over where the scissor lift is right there. And then I need to square everything, make sure it's good, and then tighten everything down because this whole wall is loose and that far wall is loose. The only thing tight is in the middle. And then probably next weekend, just because I won't have help until then I could start doing insulation and siding. That's the plan.
What are you guys doing up there?
Hanging out.